is up, everyone? I hope everyone's enjoying another new day. It's a little gray out there, but so what? Let's take on our day anyways. Now, I haven't really told you guys this, but I have a job interview at 4 o'clock today. I got the message for it last night, or yesterday afternoon while I was at work. At my job at Taco Bell. Now, I'm gonna find out the hours I'm gonna be getting. But for now, we got something to look forward to. Yeah, I just found out it's snowing. Just before I had to use the bathroom. Don't know if it's sticking yet. We'll find out soon enough. But this is the most snow we've gotten in years. We've never had snow hit us we've never had snow hit us twice in the same week. Actually, we have. It's just been a long time. A very long time. I hate when my voice does that.
Where that vegan teacher is still talking smack about Call Me Chris. I know.
Yep.
I know. Go ahead.
That vegan teacher is once again back. She never seems to know when to back down.
Call Me Chris or the vegan teacher attacking Call Me Chris.
And look at this. You don't want to be called a bitch? Don't act like a bitch. Simple as that. That vegan teacher does not seem to get the message. Just another Karen. A Karen that does not seem to know when to stop. Yeah, Senator Tim Kaine has been saying some things that just don't match up with what's actually happening. Again, guys. But that's all I'm going to say about it. The guy does not know when to back down. But back to the top. But tell you guys something else. We do have something to look forward to because, yeah. If things work out, I'm going to be holding either a full-time job or a second part-time job, which will really help with my income. Wow. This looks incredible with all that snow. I want you guys to see this. So let me get my coat, let me get my stuff on real quick, and I'll show you. Yeah, look at this. All that snow coming down it's coming down pretty good. Only question is how much are we supposed to be getting? Because I don't have that information. I'm gonna have to look on my Weather Channel app. We're looking at about 1 inch of snow, guys. So yeah. Now I have that information. But this is the most snow we've had in at least 3 to 5 years. Because the other day it was, I believe it was about 1 inch yet the other day when we had the snow, the last time we had snow. Two inches of snow within the same week. Well, not the same week, but within days of each other. I believe it was Friday when we got snow last. Yeah, look at this. All of this is coming down. This is cool. Yep, that's definitely packing snow. Coming back from the job interview, and the conditions out here have gotten worse. There's more snow on the ground. I can't even step anywhere without my shoes getting covered in it if I try to go off the roads or sidewalks. Which means my shoes are going to get covered in snow just to get into the apartment. Oh, and look at that. Under that slush is a thick layer, is a pretty deep layer of water. Puddle of water, really, but yeah. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, as you no doubt saw, it is snowing quite heavily out there. I got back about an hour ago from my interview. I actually like the guy. Honestly, I thought he came outside earlier. I thought that was him somehow, because he seemed like the one in charge. That gave me a good heads up. Wow. It's crazy today. And everything's going to be freezing over tonight. Guaranteed. And there goes that dog again. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to you know what? Hold on. Let me check on this real quick. All this takes is a thumbprint on the power button, which, yeah, unfortunately, I didn't recognize it at first. That was weird. It should have. Okay. Not quite what I was expecting, but close enough. My paycheck, guys. Yeah. Alrighty, everyone, I fell asleep a little bit ago. I'll just go ahead and let you guys go here. Yeah. It's late.